And we're making onion dill chicken tenders today in our air fryer. That's my supervisor trying to get a taste test before me. Well, again, that's my baby girl / supervisor, and that's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. And if you're looking for this recipe, we have a link to it in this video's description, which is just below this video, along with links to some of the tools and appliances that I use in our kitchen every day. I'm going to start it off by adding some cream to a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. My son's going to add plenty of hot sauce. We'll add our chicken tenders to our Ziploc bag of cream and hot sauce. And we'll zip it closed. Shake it up real well, make sure it's all covered. I'm gonna let the air out. And zip it closed. Our kids have a bag of chicken marinating in just cream, no hot sauce. Alright, thanks little girl. We'll let our chicken sit in our RV refrigerator all day. Let's make our dredge with some flour and some salt, plenty of granulated onion and granulated garlic, some dill weed and fresh cracked black pepper. We'll mix our dredge ingredients well. Crack a couple of eggs on a plate. I recommend 3. A 1/4 cup of cream. Let's whip those eggs and the cream together to make a beautiful egg wash. We'll take our chicken tenders from the cream and hot sauce marinade, place them onto our dredge. We'll use 1 hand for our wet ingredients and 1 hand for our dry ingredients. And use your dry hand to cover that chicken tender with flour, convincing the cream to absorb as much as possible. Shake off your extra dredge and let's dip that chicken into the egg wash. Use your wet hand to move that egg wash over the chicken tender, getting the egg wash to stick to the dredge. Make sure both sides are covered well. Let all your extra egg wash run back into the plate. It looks like we missed a little spot there. And we'll place our egg washed chicken tender back into our flour dredge. And again, use your dry hand to push that flour dredge all over that chicken tender. Convince that egg to soak up as much of that dredge as possible. We'll shake our extra dredge off. We'll let the chicken tenders sit while we finish the rest. We'll preheat our air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. We'll spray plenty of olive oil over our dredged chicken tenders. We'll spray our hot air fry basket with some olive oil. We'll lay our chicken tenders oil side down into our air fry basket. And we'll spray the tops of our chicken tenders till the dredge is wet. And we'll air fry our chicken tenders at 370 degrees for 7 minutes. Beautiful. A little bit of olive oil. Flip our chicken tenders. Give a little bit more olive oil. And here's your time to shine. You can make them extra crispy at 370 degrees for 8 minutes, or you can make them a little less crispy for about 5 minutes. And there's our beautiful onion dill chicken tender. Crunchy and super flavorful. Absolutely delicious. Hey, whose arm is that? Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. And share this video with your friends and family so they can enjoy our onion dill chicken tenders too. And if you're looking for this recipe, there's a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it. You can print it off. Thanks again for watching our video. Y'all take care out there. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.